Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. It is CC Devereaux and we're about to do a DIY with Devereaux. Boom. So I know you've all seen the new Rihanna Body Lava, the stuff that's supposed to make you glow and like have a bronzy golden pretty effect, right? So that's cool. I was like, yeah girl, because you know I love me some Fenty. I wear her foundation, I bought the lipstick, I wear the highlighter. So yeah, you know, I'm a fan of Riri's makeup line. However, a girl pulled out a $60 price tag for that Body Lava. She want me to pay $60 to glow? Girl, I already got melanin. If you still want that glow for the summer, but you don't want to spend that amount of money on it, I'm going to show you an inexpensive, super easy, super quick DIY for a dupe. You can come up with your own golden glow. What you'll need for this DIY, you'll need a loose oil that's not too thick. I'm using Sweet Almond oil, but I have tried it with regular baby oil and it worked out just fine. You can also use jojoba oil. I'll also be using a loose powder highlighter. The one I chose to use today is by the crayon case called Anglola, and it is that bronzy color that we're looking for, so I chose to go with this one. You can also find loose powder pigments at Target. The NYX brand has some. My best friend told me about them. Shout out to Theresa. Hey girl. She told me about these little loose powders, so you can also pick these up. I got this one from Target for approximately $7. So yeah, they also come in gold, bronze, what have you. You may also want to use something to apply the oil or the mixture to your skin. I'm just using a regular foundation brush. This one is by Real Techniques, but you can also get one by Elf for $1. Just something to brush the mixture on and something to mix the two in. And you're all set. Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start by putting approximately about a tablespoon worth of your oil into your container. You do not need a lot because a little goes a very long way. And if you need a little bit more later on, you can always make another mixture, but you wanna start small because trust me, it's gonna be enough. Take some of your highlighter powder. See how loose and pretty that is? Get into that. Ooh, girl. Super, you did your thing with this, honey. It's literally like my favorite highlighter at the moment. So I'm just gonna take my foundation brush. I'm using about this much and just dip it, swirl it around. Look at that. Oh girl, ooh, that's pretty. Do you see that, honey? It looks like lava. I see where they, you know, got the name. You want to make sure that it's pretty dense with the product and not just oily. Okay guys, I'm going to test it out here. I dab a little bit on the side so that it's not a whole lot. So we're gonna do this side. Ooh, honey child. Ooh. Baby, I look like summertime, okay? Do you see that? Just look at the difference now. Girl, I look like a whole nother race over here. Oh my gosh. You're just going to Rub it in. Rub it in. Oh. Oh. Honey, you are beach ready. You're ready to go. I look like I'm ready to just lay out on the beach, catch all these sun rays. Where's my Mai Tai? The only thing I would suggest is do not hug anyone that's wearing all white. You may piss them off a lot. Also, really quickly, if you want to travel with it, you can make your mixture and then put it in one of those little dollar store travel containers. Just shake it up right before you're about to apply it, and you're good to go. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, follow, and like, comment, all of that good stuff. And until next time, good people, bye.